In this video, I want to show you Facebook ads for real estate buyers. So if you're a real estate agent or a broker and you're looking for buyers, or even if you're an investor and you're looking for buyers, for people to buy your property, I'm going to show you the most effective Facebook ads that the top real estate professionals are doing right now. I'm always studying the market, studying what other marketers are doing, what other real estate agents are doing, brokers and professionals are doing. And I got this information right now, and also my experience. I was a real estate agent also in the past, and I'm still very active in real estate. So I'm going to show you right now the most effective and the best Facebook ads to get a real estate agent. To get a real estate buyers, and also at the end of the video, I'm going to give you the opportunity to hire me for just 1 week, where I can do all these ads and all these campaigns for you for just 1 week, so you can check my results and see if you like my results. So let's get to it. And also please subscribe to this channel before you leave, because I'm gonna be posting new updates and new videos about Facebook ads for real estate and all kinds of marketing advice for real estate agents and brokers and investors, all kinds of stuff on a regular basis. So subscribe right now and finish the video, please. I want to show you how we generated 40 home buyer leads in 6 days for a real estate agent in Santa Maria, California, using Facebook ads. I'm going to show you the example of the campaign and the structure, how to do it, before I show you how to create Facebook ads to get home buyers. So here it is. This is the landing page where we drove traffic to. It's just a simple page where we offer a list of homes for sale priced under $372,000 in Santa Maria, California. And this is the average selling price of the area of this city. So that's why we're offering under $372,000. This is a good offer that you can start implementing right away. And then we mentioned that some of these homes qualify for special financing programs. So the way we did this here, because the agent already has a technology to capture leads. When they click on this link, we keep track of the people that click on the link, and we also build a list for retargeting, so we can retarget them with Facebook ads and also Google and YouTube ads. So they land here on the website, right? This is the real estate agent's website, and here they can see 129 properties for sale for under $372,000 in Santa Maria, California. And the way this works, when a buyer is looking for a home right here and they like it, they want to see more pictures and more information, after a while this is going to pop up. So if they want to see more pictures and they want to see more information and they want to still use the website, they need to register. They just put their email information and continue with email right here. And that's how we were able to generate 40 home buyer leads in just 6 days with this technology. And this can work with anything. You can also ask for the email address upfront before taking them to the list. And so there's many ways to do it. Now that you understand the campaign and the philosophy behind this, I'm going to show you everything about the Facebook ads and the strategy. So here it is. Here you can see how it works. The opt-in page is the middle of the page. This is the strategy. We draw traffic with Facebook traffic and then also YouTube traffic. I recommend you to do both. And then we keep track of everything with the Facebook retargeting list. And so we can follow them around with more offers, more homes, and more things that you can do and you can offer for home buyers. And then once they click on the opt-in page or they put their information, we take them to the confirmation page, or like you saw in this case, we take them to the landing page where they can see all these properties and then they put their information. But let's say that you create the opt-in page and they put their email information, we send them to the confirmation page where they can see the list of homes. And then there's also an automation system where we send them emails, a text message, and then also a ringless voice message if you want to. That's optional, but at least send them an email and a text message, and then that's the automation system is going to send them to them on a regular basis. This is the entire blueprint, the Facebook ad blueprint on how to get home buyer leads with Facebook. There's an audience building ads, there's a trust building ads, there's value offering and offer reminding. So it depends on what you want to do. There's different types of offers and ads and videos, but you need to do all of these to build a perfect Facebook ad machine. With the audience building, you create a Facebook traffic ads for listings and also a Facebook video ads of listings. Facebook video ads are working really great. And now trust building. For trust building, you're gonna create real estate tips videos, curated list of listings, and more ads and video of listings. And then value offering, you're gonna offer listing reports, instant notifications of price reduced homes or something like that, then as per home pricing analysis and neighborhood pricing report. And then you wanna offer them uh, these offers on a regular basis with retargeting Facebook link ads and messenger ads as well. So you keep reminding them and you keep on top of their mind. And this is an example of how you can get leads, home buyer leads, using your own listing or a listing of one of the agents in your office or any type of listing that you have permission to promote. You just put the Facebook ad that promotes your listing to people in your farm area, in your city, and to people likely to buy it. You do the research and then you put that information in front of the right target. And then people who click on it are sent to a landing page on your website for that listing, and then we keep track. You keep track of everybody who goes to that website, so then you can keep showing them retargeting ads, more information, more value, and more videos on social media. And I'll show you also some samples of Joshua Smith's top Facebook ads, who is a top producer, a top broker in the United States. So this is some of the ads or free group ad posts that he uses for his brokerage, top broker again in the country. He posts this for free on local Facebook groups. You can do this, anybody can do this. You just go and promote your listings there, or any listing or a free list of homes in your area. And you can see more samples here. Feel free to pause the video and to keep watching and do whatever you like, so you can model after these ads, because these are very powerful. This is what he does on a regular basis to explode his brokerage. And this is some paid Facebook ads, conversion and lead ads. It works really well. I'm gonna show you more examples here. Simple ads, but nice looking. There's a strategy behind it to capture emails and to capture information from leads, and then follow up with them with the automation system. Very nice. More, another one with the swimming pool. Short description about the property, teasing them. Click here for more information, so they land on the website. And then this is an example of the paid lead ad, lead form, which are working really good now on Facebook, because people trust Facebook more than external websites in many cases. So people don't need to leave Facebook to give you the information. So these kind of leads and this type of campaigns are working really well. In this case, he offers at all pool homes for sale insured price under $300,000. This is very similar to the campaign I just showed you, but this is within Facebook. They don't need to go to a page or nothing. And yeah, they just put their information right there, and after they sign up, they're sent to this page, quote unquote, to this part of the lead form, which is thanks, you're all set. Click view website below for your access to all pool homes for sale under $300,000 in Surprise, Arizona. They click the website and they get the list. And then the agent has their contact information to follow up with them on a regular basis. Now, I'm gonna invite you to get more real estate clients and deals on autopilot without doing any extra work. And I'm gonna invite you to discover how real estate agents and brokers are crushing it using the power of social media and Google. This is how you do it. You let us do it for you, so you don't have to do any extra work. You don't have to learn anything else. We will do this for 7 entire days, just a short 7-day trial, so you can check the results before hiring us for a long term, for a long time. And we will do all this for you that I was just telling you about. We're gonna create this funnel or multiple funnels like this. We're gonna create this blueprint. We're gonna put it into practice. We're gonna create those videos. We're gonna promote those videos, those credit lists, listing reports, all this stuff that you see here. We're gonna promote your listings if you have some, or whatever listing that you wanna promote. We're gonna use model after this Joshua Smith's top Facebook ads, so you can get more home buyers, and all this in 7 days so you can check if it works or not. And if it works, then we can go to a longer plan where you can save more money and get more ROI and more return of investment for you. So for more information about this, just go to ramonpolmarketing.com/real-state-trial, or just click on the link or the button below this video to learn more. And I will show you more examples also there about how to get more home buyer leads for your real estate business and how to crush it, and also how to get listings too, listing leads. Those are very powerful as well. So thank you very much. Go ahead, click on the link or the button and learn more about this opportunity, this unique opportunity. For a limited time, I'm offering just 7-day trial so you can learn more about it and you can see the results that we get you. And if you like the results, then it makes sense to hire us. If you don't, then it's okay. You can just go, you can just keep doing what you're doing, and we'll keep doing what we're doing. No problem at all. This is how you do it. Just go, click on the link below, go to ramonpolomarketing.com/real-state.trial, and I'll see you on the other side. I'm looking forward to talking with you more and help you in any way I can. You can just contact me, text me, email me, and ask me any questions. I would love to help you any way I can. So thank you very much. Have a great day.